Introduction. Welcome, aspiring medical minds, to today's lecture on the fascinating world of biochemistry. In this comprehensive script, we will delve into the intricacies of enzyme kinetics, exploring topics such as Michaelis-Menten kinetics, enzyme inhibition, allosteric enzyme kinetics, and their significance in various areas of medical research and drug discovery. So, without further ado, let us embark on this enlightening journey through the realm of enzyme kinetics. To comprehend the behavior of enzymes, we must first grasp the fundamentals of Michaelis-Menten kinetics. Discovered by Leonore Michaelis and Maud Menton in the early 20th century, this kinetic model describes the relationship between enzyme-substrate complexes and reaction rates. Central to this model is the Michaelis constant, Km, which represents the substrate concentration at which the reaction rate reaches half of its maximum. Additionally, the turnover number, Kcat, measures the rate at which the enzyme converts substrate molecules into product. Understanding Michaelis-Menten kinetics aids in predicting enzyme behavior, optimizing enzymatic reactions, and designing drugs that target specific enzymes. Continuing our exploration, let us delve into enzyme inhibition, a process that influences the activity of enzymes by disrupting their ability to catalyze reactions. Competitive inhibition occurs when a molecule competes with the substrate for the active site of an enzyme, reducing its catalytic efficiency. Non-competitive inhibition involves the binding of an inhibitor at an allosteric site, modifying the enzyme's conformation and consequently affecting substrate binding. Mixed inhibition exhibits characteristics of both competitive and non-competitive inhibition, showcasing varying affinities for the enzyme-substrate complex. Understanding the different types of enzyme inhibition is vital for developing therapeutic interventions and managing diseases. Moving forward, let us unravel the mysteries of allosteric enzyme kinetics. Unlike enzymes governed solely by Michaelis-Menten kinetics, allosteric enzymes possess additional regulatory sites, distant from the active site, that can bind modulating molecules known as allosteric effectors. This binding triggers conformational changes that either enhance, positive allosteric effectors, or inhibit, negative allosteric effectors, the enzyme's activity. Allosteric enzymes demonstrate remarkable control over metabolic pathways, enabling cells to respond to fluctuating conditions swiftly. Elucidating the intricacies of allosteric enzyme kinetics will aid in comprehending cellular regulation and designing therapeutic strategies. Continuing our journey, we now explore enzyme cooperativity, a phenomenon often observed in multi-subunit enzymes. Cooperativity occurs when the binding of one substrate molecule alters the affinity of subsequent binding sites within the enzyme. This cooperative behavior follows sigmoidal kinetics, contrasting with the typical hyperbolic Michaelis-Menten kinetics. Understanding enzyme cooperativity ensures accurate modeling of enzymatic reactions and provides insights into biological processes like oxygen binding and hemoglobin. In this segment, we dive into the significance of pH in enzyme kinetics. pH plays a crucial role in altering the protonation state of amino acids within the enzyme's active site. Acidic or basic conditions can disrupt the enzyme structure, affecting substrate binding and catalytic activity. The pH profile of an enzyme reveals its optimum pH, where it exhibits maximum activity. Deviations from this optimal pH can lead to enzyme dysfunction, rendering it incapable of performing its essential biological functions. Next, let us explore the impact of temperature on enzyme kinetics. As temperature increases, enzyme activity generally follows an exponential rise until reaching an optimum temperature. Beyond this point, denaturation and structural damage occur, irreversibly impairing enzyme function. Studying temperature dependence aids in understanding enzyme stability, optimizing reactions, and developing strategies for preserving enzyme activity in various settings, including diagnostic assays and industrial processes. Delving deeper into enzyme kinetics, we now examine how substrate concentration influences enzyme activity. According to the Michaelis-Menten equation, at low substrate concentrations, enzyme activity increases linearly. However, as substrate concentration continues to rise, the reaction rate reaches a maximum, becoming saturated. Gaining insights into substrate concentration effects aids in optimizing enzyme reactions and predicting the rate of product formation in various biological systems. Shifting our focus, let us consider how enzyme concentration impacts catalytic activity. When substrate concentration remains constant, enzyme concentration directly affects the reaction rate. Higher enzyme concentrations result in faster reactions until the substrate becomes the limiting factor. Balancing enzyme concentration is crucial for modulating reaction rates and ensuring efficient catalysis. Now, let us explore the formation of enzyme-substrate complexes. This crucial step precedes the subsequent catalytic reaction. The specificity of an enzyme towards its substrate is determined by numerous interactions, including hydrogen bonding, hydrophobic interactions, and electrostatic forces. Understanding the principles governing enzyme substrate complex formation unravels the mysteries of enzyme specificity and substrate recognition. Continuing our quest for knowledge, we delve into enzyme mechanism studies. Elucidating the intricate mechanisms employed by enzymes to catalyze reactions plays a pivotal role in unraveling the mysteries of biological processes. Techniques such as kinetic isotope effects, site-directed mutagenesis, and X-ray crystallography enable scientists to study the dynamic nature of enzyme-substrate interactions. Such studies establish the foundation for enzyme engineering and the development of novel therapeutic interventions. Further expanding our horizons, we explore how enzyme kinetics informs the field of enzyme engineering. Utilizing knowledge of enzyme kinetics, scientists can modify enzymes to improve their catalytic efficiency, expand their substrate specificity, and confer novel functionalities. Enzyme engineering paves the way for innovative drug design, green biocatalysis, and the development of efficient industrial processes. Lastly, we delve into the crucial role of enzyme kinetics in drug discovery. Understanding the kinetics and mechanisms of enzyme-drug interactions aids in rational drug design, optimizing therapeutic efficacy, and minimizing side effects. Enzyme kinetics forms the basis for pharmacokinetic studies, guiding dosage regimens, and preventing drug-drug interactions. Appreciating the intricacies of enzyme kinetics empowers researchers to develop safer and more effective therapeutic interventions. In conclusion, the study of enzyme kinetics is a multifaceted field that intertwines biochemistry, pharmacology, and drug discovery. From the foundational Michaelis-Menten kinetics to the complexities of allosteric enzymes, each topic we covered harbors immense significance in understanding biological processes and developing therapeutic interventions. An appreciation for enzyme kinetics equips medical professionals with essential tools to decipher the intricate workings of enzymes, paving the way for innovative advancements and improving patient care. So, let this knowledge propel you forward, kindling your curiosity and igniting your passion for the wonders of biochemistry.